You're smiling and saying, "I'm fine," but in less than half a second, your face already told everyone the truth. Your eyes didn't crinkle, your cheeks didn't lift. That tiny leak, it's a micro-expression, the secret language of status signaling. Even when you think you're hiding it perfectly, these lightning-fast facial flashes reveal whether you're actually confident or just pretending. Today, I'm breaking down the exact micro-expressions that scream genuine confidence and the dangerous ones that quietly destroy how people see you. Stick around till the end, because one of these might be leaking on your face right now. Micro-expressions were popularized by psychologist Paul Ekman. As he famously said, smiles are probably the most underrated facial expressions, much more complicated than most people realize. These involuntary flashes last only 1/25th of a second and reveal true emotions before your conscious mind can hide them. In status signaling, they are the most honest signals because they're almost impossible to fake perfectly. Section 1. What are microexpressions? Microexpressions are ultra-quick, involuntary movements of your facial muscles triggered by the emotional brain. There are 7 universal ones: happiness, sadness, fear, anger, surprise, disgust, and contempt. High-confidence people show calm and controlled microflashes. Insecure people leak fear, contempt, or anxiety without even realizing it. These tiny leaks happen even when we believe we're fully in control. Section 2. Microexpressions that reveal genuine confidence. Here are the key positive microsignals that quietly broadcast high status and real confidence. Genuine Duchenne smile. When someone is truly happy or comfortable, the smile reaches the eyes. Cheeks lift up, crow's feet wrinkles appear around the eyes, and the skin below the eyes bags slightly. This full-face smile shows authentic warmth and emotional security. It's very hard to fake because the eye muscles move involuntarily. Quick, natural eyebrow flash. A brief raise of the eyebrows when greeting someone or while listening. It lasts just a moment and then returns to normal. This shows openness, interest, and calm control without looking needy. Slight chin lift with relaxed jawline. A subtle upward tilt of the chin combined with a relaxed jawline signals quiet assurance and readiness. It looks poised and confident, not arrogant or tense. Brief lip press before speaking. A quick press of the lips followed by a calm release. This shows thoughtfulness and low reactivity. You're thinking before responding instead of rushing out of nervousness. Soft, asymmetric, or one-sided smile. A quick, slight smile on only one side of the mouth. It shows inner certainty or private amusement and looks natural and self-assured. Fast return to calm, neutral face. After any quick emotion, the face smoothly returns to a relaxed, neutral expression. This proves emotional stability. You're not easily thrown off balance. These small flashes, when paired with steady body language, create powerful and believable status signaling. Section 3. Microexpressions that expose insecurity. These tiny leaks quietly lower how confident people perceive you. Here's exactly how they look. Fake smile. No eye involvement. Only the mouth smiles, lips pull back, but the eyes stay flat. No crow's feet, no cheek lift, and no warmth in the upper face. It looks polite but forced, revealing that you're uncomfortable or trying too hard to appear happy. Lingering micro-frown or anxious eyebrow raise. Eyebrows lift quickly but stay raised a bit too long, or a slight frown flashes across the face. This leaks anxiety and please like me energy. Contempt flash, one-sided lip raise. One corner of the lip curls up briefly while the rest of the face stays neutral. It shows hidden disrespect or superiority that often masks your own insecurity. Fear microexpression. Inner eyebrows raise slightly, eyes widen a little, and the mouth tenses. This quick flash reveals worry about being judged or fear of social rejection. Rapid blinking or lip biting. Eyes blink faster than normal, or you bite or press your lips. These are classic signs of nervousness leaking through. Subtle nose wrinkle of disgust. The nose wrinkles slightly for a split second. It shows hidden discomfort or judgment you're trying to hide. As Paul Ekman taught us, these leaks happen even when we think we're in full control. Section 4. How to master microexpressions. You can't completely stop microexpressions, but you can reduce negative leaks and strengthen positive ones. Build real inner confidence through skills and self-validation so positive expressions appear naturally. Practice emotional awareness. Watch your own face in the mirror during stressful conversations. Pause for 2 seconds before reacting. This slows down fear or anger leaks. Train by watching slow-motion videos of faces or using simple micro-expression apps. When your micro-expressions match your genuine confidence, your overall status signaling becomes much stronger and more believable. Next time you're talking to someone, quietly ask yourself, what is my face secretly saying right now? This secret language of micro-expressions never stops speaking. The only question is, are you broadcasting confidence or hidden doubt? If this video made you more aware of your facial leaks, comment below. Which micro-expression are you going to work on controlling? Like the video if you want more deep psychology content, share it with someone who overthinks social situations, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the status signaling series. Thanks for watching. True high status doesn't need big gestures. Its micro signals whisper confidence, and everyone listens.